Hello guys. I'm planning to revive this other channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Ate Red and I have a main channel which is Utang Vlogs. Sorry, we had a very busy day so hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance para magligpit dito sa aking studio. But what I'm gonna do is ibabalance ko to guys because like I said, I'm planning to do vlogs and gusto kong aralin mag-vlog ng mabilisan with this gimbal. Ibenta ko na lang sana to. Because mag-upgrade ako ng isang camera. Pag nagbebenta ka ng item sa Facebook Marketplace, you tend to get very, very low offers. Tsaka, sayang naman. So, I'm just gonna use this for vlogs. Ibabalance ko siya sa gimbal. Kasi diba sayang naman. Pero papalitan ko muna to ng wide angle lens. The lighting is bad because right now I'm just using my DJI. So, for this CVE 10, currently may kit lens lang siya. And I'm going to put, it's a prime lens. So 11 millimeters lang siya with a 1.8 aperture. So it's very wide. But the reason for that is para magamit ko yung stabilization nito in case hindi ko lang siya feel gamitin. Kasi admit it, mabigat siya guys. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin ko dito sa second channel ko. But gusto ko lang mag-vlogs. Share bits and pieces of my life. Pang-good vibes lang. Matagal ko na kasi hindi nagagamit yung lens na to. It's just too wide for, studio setup. But since I'm planning to do daily vlogs, I might as well put that. And before ko siya i-mount sa gimbal, tatanggalin ko lang to. Well, if there's an opportunity to learn how to use them, you'll never know. Why not, diba? And that's why I have these daily vlogs. So, I can keep learning other skills. And by the way, hindi pala ako tech reviewer, guys, As you can see, yung main channel ko is yung Ate Red Utang Vlogs. And I talk about utang. But ang dami sa inyo nagsasabi lately na mag-share naman ako ng ibang vlogs other than utang. I'm gonna put this away. So, takpan lang natin. Kasi, sorry. Wrong cap. It's time to put this there para mabalance ko siya. Alam niyo naman guys that when I started my main channel, I was talking about skincare. And the pandemic happened and doon ako nag-start mag-learn ng paggamit ng GCash kasi kailangan ko bayaran yung aking mga online loans kaya hindi tayo makalabas ng bahay. So nag-learn ako mag-GCash and then binlog ko rin yung aking mga kautangan and mas naging successful yung utang vlogs ko because I found out that a lot of people want to learn how to manage debt. Anyways, so magpa-practice lang talaga ako mag-vlog guys. Good vibes lang. Like I said guys, hindi naman ako techie, no? So mga magaling mag-handle ng camera there. Huwag nyo naman akong i-judge, mga guys. Gusto ko lang talagang mag-learn na i-maximize yung paggamit ng aking mga gear. Otherwise, sayang lang. So, ibabalance ko muna to Okay, so in the process, nagkaroon ako ng second channel and I just don't have any idea kung anong ilalagay ko doon. So, naglagay ako ng mga work from home topics. And then, naglagay na ako ng mga travel topics. And then, basically, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung magiging niche ng channel na to. But then I said, ang dami sa inyo yung nagre-request. Mag-share naman ako ng other topics. Hindi lang puro utang. So, one moment lang. Some people just make it look so easy. So, after 30 minutes, at nabalance ko na siya. But that's not all. Kailangan pa siya i-calibrate and it has to be in a completely flat surface. And we are ready to vlog with this gear. Diba? Parang pro. Pa-epek-epek lang, char lang. As if yung auntie nyo, alam ko yun yung ginagawa. Lagay natin sa selfie mode. Ikaw. Ayan. It's working. Subukan natin mag-vlog dito. Stop recording. Ayan guys, so kaka-set up. Nabalance ko na yung aking gimbal. And yun, I just set up this channel for probably daily vlogs. So, if from time to time, mag-Ilonggo ako, pagpasensyahan nyo na, dahil hindi naman ako native Tagalog speaker. So, Ilonggo, Cebuano, Taglish, whatever. Especially if random yung thoughts. So, ayun, kaka-set up ko lang ng aking camera for vlogging. And like I said, gusto ko mag-vlog. So, for tomorrow, gusto kong pag-usapan yung recent kong ginawa because I said I started this channel na skincare naman. And because hindi naman ako pwedeng magpa-araw, and then magsi 6 weeks post-op na ako. And while waiting, nabigyan ako ng doctor ko ng go signal na pwede na ulit mag-exercise. Then, nakalimutan ko yung sasabihin ko guys. tomorrow, anyways, basta tomorrow, gusto kong pag-usapan yung PRP or yung vampire facial. Anyway, so yung ginawa ko lang right now is, wala lang, nag-set up lang ako ng camera ko. So, if I'm not using, ano ba to? Okay, so this thing's working. Aha! Kaya pala. Ano ba? So this second channel will be for me learning and doing vlogs and anything else you want to ask me and those topics na hindi ko makover sa kabila kong channel. And I want to make this as a playground for me to learn other skills. Anyways, so ayan guys, so kaka-set up. Can you imagine that? So now that I have the opportunity, so I'd like to grab this opportunity to learn more. Pero guys, hindi naman kasi ako tech. I just want to learn. And samahan niyo ako on this journey. I don't really know what I'm saying here. Basta yun lang. So, comment down below for anything you want to say. So, ayan, dahil na-set up ko na yung aking gimbal, I just wanna walk around. Like I said kanina, na-busy kami whole day. So, hindi ako nagkaroon ng chance na mag-ayos dito sa studio. Yun, mga guys, na-set up ko na to. Good night na. And let's have more topics in the next few days.